Hey y'all, welcome to my channel or welcome back. Y'all, today I've got a unit from Beauty Forever. This is their fluffy loose wave unit with the curtain bangs. We are highlighting the curtain bangs on here. It's a 7x5 with glueless unit. If you want it to be, here's just the up close look at all the details, the structure of the wig, and let's get into how we're gonna put this on, because this unit is the easiest unit I think I've ever put on. You don't have to worry about any baby hair. You don't have to worry about much of anything. Let me tell you something. If you are someone who's struggling with your edges right now, if you just need to grow them back, if you are just not in the mood to really have to keep up with your hair and wigs and lace and all that kind of stuff, this is the freaking unit for you guys. So y'all, to apply this, all I did was take some hairspray and apply it obviously around the hairline, stick my wig on and blow dry it down. That easy. Like, that is half of the work. Like, it's almost 75% of the work already done. They have already layered this unit for you. They've already cut the curtain bangs. And right here, y'all, I was just like, let me go ahead and pop on my makeup, because normally I have to do edges and lay them down and all that kind of stuff. But this was quick. I was like, okay, we're already moving on to makeup, because I don't do my makeup prior to putting on my wig. It's just gonna end up cakey and all that stuff around the hairline. But yeah, y'all, so right here, all I'm doing is just adding a little bit of the wax stick. I really want to keep this hair nice and fluffy, because they've already done the hard work for you, which is layering the unit. You don't want to take away from that. So don't use too much of the wax stick. You can definitely use your hot comb, but the wax stick is what's going to kind of weigh the unit down, which is why I only applied a little bit at the scalp part, not anywhere else. So just keep that in mind. And all I'm doing here, you guys, is just kind of curling the bangs a little bit. I love the fact that they made them longer. Like, don't give me no short bangs, because I can't add any hair to it. You get what I'm trying to say? Definitely, I love the fact that they made it longer, so you can customize it as you please, like I'm doing right here. I went on ahead and just cut a little bit right in the front, and then I'm gonna just take my flat iron and use my flat irons just to add some curls. For this look, y'all, I'm gonna be honest, I was really thinking like, she's giving effortless, she's giving she just woke up like this, just threw her hair up and she looks good. Drake's, sweatpants, hair tied, chilling with no makeup on, like those kind of vibes. That's what I was thinking with this look, because the look really reminds me of like Sabrina Carpenter type of hair, and it's just very flirty. It's very fun. Nothing's tight. Everything's loose wave and like loose curls, and that's kind of what I was going for. So that's all I'm doing with my curling iron here, and then I'm going to show you guys how it looks just wearing your hair down. I'm showing you 3 different looks in this video, okay? 3 very simple but super cute looks. Don't forget to check the description box as well. I'll have all the details to this unit from Beauty Forever down there for you, and any products that I used, all that good stuff, you guys. Yeah, it's going to be down there for you. So let's take a look at the first look I got for you guys, if you're just popping it on and you're just wearing it down. So to be honest, you guys, I really wasn't sure if this was the look for me. You guys always ask me to do like pixie cuts or do this and that or whatever. I know what looks good on me, and so I take that and run with it. I was a little nervous with just wearing it down, but throwing it up in this ponytail like I'm doing right here with the bangs coming out, y'all, I'm gonna take my Wavy Talk little thermal brush and just add in some curls right here, just right at the top, make it a little bit fuller. Please note, once you wash this unit, because I'm wearing it right out of the package, right out of the bag, once you wash it, it's gonna be much fuller than this, so just keep that in mind. But just adding some curls, and then I'm gonna use a little bit of my Tresemme hairspray just to keep them intact, and give it a little bit more volume, and then y'all see this look in just 1 second. So next, y'all, we're gonna just do a half up, half down, keeping things very simple, very easy, and very cute, okay? One thing I do wanna say is I'm surprised I don't see a lot more of these units, y'all, because I don't see them. I don't see the girls wearing them. I can't cut to save my life, so doing curtain bangs and adding them to a unit is beyond me, okay? But I want to see more of this because I think it's gonna be a hit. And then last but not least, we're throwing it all up in a like little loose bun with the bangs. This was probably one of my favorite looks of all time. If you saw me post on Instagram, this was the unit that I was wearing with the bangs, and I'll post it again on my stories. But y'all, came out so freaking cute. I love this, like, it's a little sexy, it's a little officey, it's a little secretary. I don't know, I'm loving the entire look. I hope they come out with different versions of like the bang, a softer bang, a heavier bang, all that kind of stuff, because I know it would do really well. So y'all, let me know what you think about this video. Let me know if you think what you think about this unit as well. Is this something that you will wear? Is this something that you would like? I think it's such a pop on and go, don't have to worry about it type of unit. I know y'all would love it. So let me know down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate you guys. I appreciate your love, your support, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.